KG, how are you? Today is Sunday and the date is the 12th of April 2020. Today we have a new letter. What our new letter is? Do you want to know it? Okay, please sit down properly and listen carefully. Let's watch the Leapfrog movie together.
Hey, Professor, is that the letter Y?
Y as in yes.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
Give me a Y sound.
Yeah.
What do the Y letters say?
Yeah. The Y says yeah. The Y says yeah. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says
Yeah.
So, our letter is letter Y. Our letter is letter Y. Look here. Capital Y, capital Y, small y. Capital Y and small y. Again, repeat after me. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. But what does the Y say? The Y says yeah. The Y says yeah. Every letter makes a sound. The Y says yeah. Excellent, KG. You are excellent. Now I want to write capital Y here. Capital Y. From line 1 to line 3. Capital Y. Look, I have for capital Y 2 points. 1, 2. I have 2 points. Look how to write capital Y on the 4 lines. From this point, I will go slide down, stop on the middle. And from this point, slide down, stop on the middle, then down, stop on the 3rd line. Again, I will have 2 points. From this point, from line 1, slide down, stop on the middle, slide down, stop on the middle, down, stop on the 3rd line. Capital Y. Can we write on the 4th line? No. X. I will not write on the 4th line. Capital Y. And here I want to write small y. Just I have 1 point for small y. From line 2 to line 4. Look, from line 2, from the point, down to line 3, around, up to line 2, again, down to line 4, around to up. Small y. Again, I have 1 point. From line 2, down to line 3, around, up to line 2, down to line 4, around to up. Small y. Capital Y, small y. Now, can you give me words that begin with the letter Y? Yeah? Okay, let's see together. What do we have here? Yeah. Yogurt. What's this? Yogurt. The Y says yeah. Yogurt. Repeat after me. Yogurt. What's this? Yogurt. Again. Yogurt. Excellent. And what's this? Yo-yo. What's this? Yo-yo. The Y says yeah. Yo-yo. The Y says yeah. Yo-yo. Again. What's this? Excellent, KG, yogurt. What's this? Yogurt, yummy. It's a healthy food. And yo-yo. What's this? Yo-yo. Excellent, KG. Thank you.